Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp accounts on your Redmi Note 11 Pro. So here you can see now I have a WhatsApp account and I need the second number, the work number with separated contacts, etc. So I can go to the Google Play Store and look for the WhatsApp business app. Just install it, and here you can see now we have two WhatsApp accounts. That was the first method. Now the second one, you have to look for the dual app in the Play Store, like a parallel space. Click continue, add the permissions. Click start. And now just select the WhatsApp and tap on the add parallel space. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.